Hello student. Today we learn the word problem, how to solve the word problems by the use of simultaneous linear equations. We solve simultaneous linear equations by the method of elimination, by the method of graphical, by the method of grammar rule. Now, how to use this method of solving the simultaneous linear equations in two variables in word problems. I am written here one of the example, that is the activity. Uh, the box we have to fill the boxes here, and in the word problem the conditions are given, and with the help of that conditions, these conditions express in linear equations in two variables. Now here is the condition are given. This is a box here, and from this box we have to find all these conditions or equations. We have to given here in this box. I am a Sarthak, my present age is X years. I am Sakshi, my present age is Y years. From this box, one of the first condition is here: Sarthak's age is less by 8. Sarthak's age is less by 8 than double the age of Sakshi. Means Sarthak's age. What is the Sarthak's age? Yes, X years is the present age of Sarthak is X. Today's or present age of Sarthak is X, which is equal to making the equation, means equality. From this condition, form equality. Sarthak's age is less by 8 than the double the age of Sakshi. म्हणजे साक्षीच्या वयाच्या दुपटीपेक्षा 8 ने कमी, less by 8 means Sarthak's age, the present age of Sarthak is X, is equal to double the age, 8 less than the double the age of Sakshi. Sakshi's present age is Y, and double the age of Sakshi and minus 8. This is the age of Sarthak. And from this condition we form one of the linear equation in two variables. Now another condition is here. This is the condition: 4 years ago Sakshi's age was 3 years less than Sarthak's age at that time. At that time means 4 years ago. 4 years ago the Sakshi's age was 4 years ago. Sakshi's age, what is the age of Sakshi 4 years ago? Y minus 4. This is the 4 years ago age of Sakshi, and which is equal to, what is the condition is given? Was 3 years less than the Sarthak's age at that time, and at that time Sarthak's age was X minus 4. This is the age of Sarthak, and when form the equality, Sakshi's age was 3 years less, minus 3. This is the equation formed by this condition. And another one is the sum of the present ages of Sarthak and Sakshi is 25. Sum of the present ages. What is the present ages of Sarthak? Sum means addition. Sum of the present ages of Sarthak and Sakshi is equal to, is 25, means this is one of the equation is formed here. Now in this way we have to form equations from the given conditions in the word problems. Okay, in this way we solve some more problems. Here is the one of the example. The perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeter. The length of the rectangle is more than double its breadth by 2. Find the length and breadth of that rectangle. You know the rectangle having 2 lengths and 2 breadths equal. These are the 2 lengths and 2 breadths are here. We are considering length as L, breadth as B. Now, what is the condition as given? Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all four sides is equal to 40 centimeter. From this condition we form one of the equation, and another condition is the length of the rectangle is more than the double its breadth by 2. Here we have to first consider the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Let the length of the rectangle be L centimeter and breadth be Y centimeter. Now from first condition, what is the first condition here? The condition is the perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeter. Means perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter means sum of all four sides, and sum of all four sides is this is the L, this is also L, this is 2L, and this is breadth, this is also equal breadth, 2 breadth, means 2L plus 2 breadth. This is the perimeter, and which is equal to 40 centimeter. Dividing both sides by 2, or taking 2 as a common from these two terms, and divide the by 2. Dividing both sides by 2, you get here. Dividing 2 to this term is L plus this is B equal to, dividing 2 by 40 is 20. This one is the simple equation, and this is the first equation we get here from the first condition. And the second condition is the length of the rectangle. From second condition, the length of the rectangle is equal to, more than the double its breadth, more than the double its breadth by 2, means 2 more than the double the breadth of the rectangle, means 2 more than the double the breadth of rectangle. Double the breadth means 2b, and more than 2. Simplifying this equation, L minus 2b is equal to 2. This is the second equation. Now from the equation 1 and 2, solves these two equations simultaneously. Here the coefficient of L is 1, here is L is 1. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. We get write down equation first. L plus B is equal to 20. L minus 2B is equal to 2. Subtracting equation, minus plus minus, minus minus plus, minus plus minus. Okay. Now if you use the minus sign, then only addition of like terms. Here is plus 20 minus 2 is 80 plus 80 plus 1b plus 2b is 3b plus 1l minus l is 0. Therefore b is equal to here 18 divided by 3. Breadth is equal to 6 centimeters. And now putting b is equal to 6 in any one of the equation. Which one is the simple one? One is the simple one equation. Put b is equal to 6 in equation 1. L plus b, and b is 6 is equal to 20. Therefore L is equal to 20 plus minus goes to other side is minus 6, and which is equal to 40. is the length. L is equal to 14 and B is equal to 6. These are the lengths of the rectangles and breadths of the rectangle. Therefore, length of rectangle is 14 centimeter and breadth of rectangle is 6 centimeter. In this way, we use the simultaneous equations in the word problems. We will see another one example. Now here the second example. Sell for 2 days. I have some analog wristwatches and some digital watches. You know the analog wristwatches, मनगटी घड्याळ. Analog wristwatches and digital wristwatch. Analog means जे काट्याच्या घड्याळ असतात ते analog आणि digital means जे digital आकडे दाखवतात 4, 5, 6 like this. These are the digital watches. You know, I am going to sell them at a discount. Now, from the first day, 11 analog and 6 digital watches are sold, and received amount is 4,330. Second day, 22 analog and 5 digital watches are sold, and received amount is 7,330 rupees. Find selling prices of wrist watches of each type. Means we have to find what is the selling price of wrist watches of each type. Now, from this condition, we have to form the two linear equations in two variables from these two conditions. Now, you know, you are unknown about the selling prices of each type of watches. The first, consider, let selling price of selling prices of analog watches. In selling prices of each analog watch, selling price of each analog watch. B X rupees X and digital watch B each digital watch B rupees 1. Now you get the selling prices of analog and digital watches in terms of variables. Now, from the first condition, sell for first day 11 analog watches. What is the price of 11 analog watch? The price of one analog watch be X rupees. Then that means the total price of 11 watch be X 11X, and 6 digital watch be 6Y, and total amount of this becomes you are here 4,330. Therefore, from first condition, and 11 analog watch means 11X rupees, and 6 digital watch means 6Y rupees is equal to 4,330 rupees. This one is the first equation. Okay. You cannot divide by any one of the number because 11 is the prime number here. Now, from second condition, 22 analog watches and 5 digital watches. Means the price of 22 analog watch is 22x plus 5 digital watch. Digital price of digital 5 digital watch is 5y, and the total amount become is equal to 7,330. 7,330 rupees, and this is also one of the second equation you get here. Here is you cannot divide because 5 is not divided by 22. Okay, now you get the two simultaneous linear equations here. We have to solve simultaneously, making the one of the variables coefficients are same and elimination of them by adding or subtracting. Now here is, if you element y, we have to multiply 5 to this equation and 6 to this equation, or if we elimination of x, we have to multiply here 11 is multiplied by 2, you get the 22, and here is also 22. Therefore multiplying equation 1 by 2, multiplying equation 1 by 2, and here is the plus sign, here is also plus sign, where is 2, and subtracting equation 3 from them, or first multiplying equation 2 and making one of the equation, multiplying equation 1 by 2, we get one of the new equation. 2 is multiplied, 22x plus 2 into 6 is 12y is equal to, if you multiply 2, 0, 6, 6 and 8, you multiply, you get this is the third equation here. Now this equation 1 and third are equivalent equation, then from this 2 and 3, from equation 2 and 3, subtracting equation 3 from 2, subtract in equation 3 from 2. Now we get here, write down the equation 2 first. Subtracting equation, I am subtracting equation 2 from 3, means 2 from, subtracting equation 2 from 3. Okay, write down equation 3 first. 22x plus 12y is equal to 8660. 22x plus 5y is equal to 7330. If we subtract, minus is multiplying to both sides, minus both all the terms, minus plus minus, minus plus minus, minus plus minus, then addition. Make the this is plus, this minus, 0, 3, 3 and 1 is the remaining. Plus 12 minus 5 is 7y. Plus 22 minus 2 is 0. Therefore y is equal to 1330 divided by 7. If you divide 7 7 के साथ पहले 6 7 का 7 से मिलकर 7 8 7 9 63 7 0 you get value of y is equal to 190. Put this value, put y is equal to 190 in equation. Which one is the simplest equation? 1 is the simplest one. 1. You get 11y, 11x plus 6 into 190y is equal to 4330. 11x plus 7 से open चले 5 7 के 7 5 17 is equal to 4330. You get the value 11x is equal to plus 1140 goes to other side minus 4330 minus 1140. You get 11x is equal to subtraction of this 0 is subtraction of this 0 13 3 4 गेले 9 अच्छा 1 2 1 3 2 गेले 1 therefore x is equal to 3190 divided by 11. X is equal to, divide both sides by 11. You get 11 दूनी 22 అలాగే 9 11 9 9 0 0. You get value of x is equal to 290. Means what is meant by x? X is the price of analog house. Therefore, selling price of analog house is 290 rupees and rupees 290 and selling price of digital watch is rupees 190 rupees. See next example. Now in this example, read the example. A 3-digit number is equal to 17 times the sum of its digits. Means the digits, the number is in a 3-digit number. Means 100 place, 10 place and unit place. If the digits are reverse, the new number is 198 more than the old number. Here one of the condition is here and another condition here. But here are the 3 digits and another condition is given here. Also the sum of the extreme digit is less than the middle digit by unity. Means for the middle digit the condition is given with the help of extreme digits. Means extreme digits like here the digits are, first one is the 100 place, 10 place and unit place. We have to find here the numbers. Okay, 100 place, unit place and 10 place. Now for that, first we have to here the condition is sum of the extreme digits. Means we have to consider here the extreme digits. This may be x and this may be 1. Okay, and from that we have to find the middle digit or 10 place. What is the condition is given for the middle digit? Also the sum here, the sum of the extreme digits, sum of the extreme digit x plus y is less than the middle digit by unity. Means this value is less 1 by the middle digit. Means this middle digit is 1 more than this sum. Means x plus y plus 1 is the middle digit here. Now in this way, now let us consider here, let the 100 place be x and unit place be y. Therefore, from this here the first condition is a 3-digit number is equal to 17 times the sum of its digit. Sum of its digit means the first we have to find the 3-digit number. What is this 3-digit number? Is this the 3-digit number? No. we have to um, consider the number in terms of their addition of each digit with their place values. Find out the place values of the each digit and adding, then we get the value. Like this is not a number, x, y, z is not a number. If these are the three digit number, this is not a value of that number because there is a multiplication here. We have to find here, this is the 100 place means 100x, this is the place value of that digit, 10 place means 10y, and plus 1 unit place means 1 into z means z. This is the value of this number. Like this, we have to find the value of the number, 3 digit number. First we have to find the 3 digit number is. Therefore, the 3 digit number is the original 3 digit number is equal to 100x plus 10 into x plus y plus 1 plus y means 100x plus 10x plus multiplying 10y plus 10 into 1 is 10 plus y. Now you get here the number is 100x plus 10x is 1 10x plus 10y plus 1y is 11y plus 10. This is the original 3 digit number, the value of the original 3 digit number. Okay. Now also we have to find the for first condition sum of each digit, sum of the 3 digit number, sum of 3 digit number is equal to, what is the sum? Only sum of the digits, x plus y plus 1 plus y. Okay. Now you get here x plus y plus 1 plus 1, and the sum is x plus x 2x plus y plus y 2y plus 1. This is the sum of this number. And from the first condition, the 3 digit number is equal to 7 times the sum of its digits. Means the 3 digit number is this number 110x plus 11y plus 10 is equal to 17 times, means 17 into 2x plus 2y plus 1. You get the equation plus 11y plus 10 is equal to 17 into 34x plus 34y plus 17 over 70. Now example, okay. Now simplify this. 10x is 34x minus plus 11y minus 34y is equal to is 70, and goes 10 goes to other side minus 10. 76 x plus 11 minus 34 is minus 3 2. Okay, y is equal to 7. This is the first equation you get here. What is the first equation? If you divide this equation by 7 is not, it's there 23 is the one of the prime number, is the one of the equation here, the first equation you get. Okay. Now the second condition, what is the second condition is given? If the digits are reverse, the new number is 198 more than the old number. Means first we have to find the number obtained by reversing the digits. Reversing the digits. The number obtained by reversing the digits of the original number. Therefore, you get the number is reversing means these are the three numbers which are reversed here. Means y comes together and x goes to unit place here. And this number is as it is. Means 100y, 100 place be u y, 100y plus 10x plus y plus 1 plus unit place is x. And the number simplifying this 100y plus 10x plus 10y plus 10 plus x 110y 110y plus 11x plus 10 is the number obtained by reversing the digits, and this value is the given number you get the second condition. What is the second condition? Second condition is given if the digits are reversed, the new number is 198 more, means given number is equal to given number is equal to given number. What is the condition? If the digits are reversed, the new number is 198 more, means the given number, this number plus 198 more, then your new number. Means if the digits are reversed, the new number is, this is the new number, this one is the new number, reversing number. Even given number means original number. If the digits are reversed, the new number is 198 more than the old number. This is the old number or given number or original number. Here is the original number. What is the original number? Original number is 100x, 110x, 110x plus 11y plus 10 is the original number plus 198 the original number is this 110y plus 11x plus 10. Now simplify this equation. 110x minus 11x plus 11y minus 110y is equal to 10 minus 198. Here is 99x. This is also minus 99y and is 1 plus 10 minus 198. The remaining is 8, 8. 198. Is not divided with this number. What is the change? See here. Here is plus 10 with plus 10. On both sides, 10 is subtracting. Only this plus minus 8 is goes to other side is, and therefore this equation is equal to 1 minus 198. If you divide both sides by 99, you get the equation x minus 1y is equal to minus 2. This is the second equation. Now you get the two equations, x minus y is equal to minus 2, and the first equation is 76x minus 23y is equal to 7. From these two equations, we solve these two equations simultaneously or by determinant method also. We are solving these two equations or a substitution method also. If you here the simple one equation, find out the value of x in terms of y. I am putting in the equation 1. Now therefore here is the x is equal to y minus 2 is the equation number 3, and this value of x in terms of y putting in 1. Put x is equal to y minus 2 into equation 1. You get 76x means x is equal to y minus 2 minus 23y is equal to 7. This equation is in one variable. Simplifying 76y minus plus minus 2 into 76. Basically, 52 minus 23y is equal to 7. Therefore, 76y and 23y. Subtract plus 23, 26 plus 76 and minus 23 is 3 is remaining, and 4 is also remaining. 5 is also remaining. 5 remaining. 53 is remaining here. Y is equal to 7 plus 152. Therefore, 53y is equal to 951. Y is equal to 159 divided by 53. Y is equal to 53 into 3. In 3 now, right? Means if you divide 53 to this number, you get y is equal to 3. Now you get the value of y, means digit y. Put the value of y in equation. Simple one equation is 3 now. Put y is equal to 3 in equation. In equation 3, you get x is equal to 3 minus 2. Y is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, you got the digits x and y, and find out the middle term, middle digit. 10 place. Therefore, 10 place is equal to x plus y plus 1, means x is 1 plus y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, the number, the original number, therefore, original number is equal to 100x plus the original number is, you find out here the original number, 110x plus 11y plus 10 is equal to, what is the value? Put the values here. 110 into x means 1 plus 11y means value of y is 3 plus 10. 133 plus 10 is equal to 153 7 8 parts 153. This is the original number, and you can check also by reversing the number become 351. If you minus subtracting 198, you get reversing number, and minus it you get the same number in this. Now we will see one of the example. Another example is, out of 1900 km we shall travel some distance by bus and some distance by aeroplane. Bus travels with average speed 60 km per hour and average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance we shall travel by bus or in aeroplane also. Now here the total distance traveled by Vishal is 1900 km. Out of this, some of the distance traveled by bus and some of the distance traveled by aeroplane. Now you know, you are unknown about how many kilometers traveled by bus and how many kilometers traveled by aeroplane. Total distance is given, and we have given total time takes to travel this distance, and we have to find the how many distance traveled by bus or aeroplane. Now we consider here, let the Vishal travel the distance traveled by bus. Let Vishal distance traveled by distance traveled by bus be x kilometer and distance traveled by aeroplane be y kilometer. Now you have given here, out of this distance 1900, x kilometer by bus and y kilometer by aeroplane. Now from first condition, where sum of the distances traveled by bus and aeroplane is equal to total distance is 1900 km. Is the first equation. Now the second condition, see here, bus travels with the average speed 60 km per hour and average speed of aeroplane is 700 km. It takes 5 hours to complete this journey. Means we have to make the equation in terms of not speed but in terms of their time. Means 60 km average speed of 60 km per hour of bus is given here, and 700 km per hour. This is the speed of the aeroplane. Find out the time taken by Vishal to travel by bus. Now first, you know the formula, or distance is equal to, we know The distance is equal to speed into time. Therefore, the time is equal to distance divided by speed. You can find out the time taken by Vishal by traveling the bus. Now, the time taken by Vishal while traveling, time taken by Vishal to travel by bus is equal to time taken by Vishal to travel by bus, and he traveled by bus. I mean, how many kilometer? X kilometer, and the speed of the bus, average speed of the bus is 60. This is the hour. This is the time required to travel by bus to X kilometer, and time taken by Vishal to travel by aeroplane is equal to, he traveled by aeroplane by how many kilometer? Y kilometer is equal to y kilometer divided by speed of aeroplane is 700 hours. Now you got here the time taken by bus and time taken by aeroplane for the given distances. Now the sum of this time is equal to 5. From second condition, x upon 60, this is the time and for bus, and y upon 700 is equal to 5. This is the one of the equation, second equation you got here. Now multiplying both equations by the, if you multiplying, what is the, find out the LCM of 760. 760 is LCM. Then this is not divided by any number, therefore 70 into 6 . The multiplication is way choice. Okay, second way choice. Not to be. What is the LCM? 760. Success. LCM of 760 is, let's see, 3 and 35. This वीस पस्तीस त्रीस 210 पस्तीस त्रीस 110 बेगुनी 20 5 15 9 105 गुणिले 2 21 is the LCM of this is the multiplication of all this number is 2100. LCM of multiplying both sides here, multiplying both sides by 2100 is the LCM of 60 and 700. If you multiply 2100 into x by 60 plus 2100 into y by 70 is equal to 2100 into 5. You get here 93 का 18 35x plus 3y is equal to 8. Okay. We get the second equation. We will solve these two equations. Equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. The equation 1 and 2 is the simplest equation. You can find the value of here is multiplying this equation by 3 and subtracting. Multiply equation 1 by 3. We get 3x plus 3y equation number 3. Now equation 1 and 3 are the equivalent. From equation 3 and 2, subtracting equation 3 from 2, subtracting equation 3 from 2, 35x plus 3y is equal to 3x plus 3y equal to 5700. If you subtract minus, you get here is the 32x is equal to, what is the remaining here? You get the remaining 4800. If you divide 32 to the 4800, you get value of x is equal to 4800. If 32, the x is equal to, if you divide 32, you get 5. 32 into 1, 5, and then 0. Now you get the value of x here, and x is the speed of Vishal. X is the speed of x is the distance traveled by Vishal by bus. This is the 150 kilometer. We shall travel by 150 kilometer by bus. this way. Solve exercise 1.5.